Hey yo guys, welcome to my channel the TECH-ster. In today's video I'll be showing how to install Ubuntu 20.04 on VirtualBox. Let's get started. Head to your web browser and search for ubuntu.com. Once it opens up, click on Downloads and select the version you want. I'm selecting Ubuntu 20.04, click on it. The download starts. It's a small file about 2.5 gigs. Once it is downloaded, go to your VirtualBox application and create a new virtual machine by clicking on New. Name the OS and select the location to where it has to be installed. Select Linux and Ubuntu 32 or 64-bit in the respective fields. Allocate the RAM. Select Create a virtual hard disk now and click Next. Click on VHD or virtual hard disk and Next. Dynamically allocated and set the amount of hard disk you for the OS. I'm giving 25 gigs. Click on Create. Open up Settings and in the System tab, uncheck Floppy. In the Processor tab, slide the CPUs to minimum of 4. In the Display settings, slide Video Memory to full. In Storage setting, click on Empty and browse to the downloaded ISO file. Click on Open and the ISO image gets added to the VM. Go to USB tab and select USB 3.0. Click on OK. Start the virtual machine and let it boot up. The home screen appears. Followed by a window, which asks you to try Ubuntu or to install Ubuntu. If you are sure about installing it, go ahead or try it out first and then install. Make sure to select the correct language and keyboard layout before installing. Do not make any changes, click on Continue. Select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. This will not cause any harm to your Windows operating system, as it is being installed in a virtual hard drive. Click on Install Now and then on Continue. Select the region or country in which you are in, and click on Continue. Create a computer account for yourself using name, username and password. Wait patiently until the installation finishes. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Once the installation has finished, it will ask you to restart the computer. And a prompt appears. To remove the installation media and hit enter. Just press enter. Wait for a few minutes, and if you feel that it is stuck on the logo or a black screen, just close out of your VM and restart it. And finally, we are running our Ubuntu LTS 20.4 on our VirtualBox. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.